Alright, what's going on, guys? Today, it depends how cold it is outside, but we're going to do the intakes on the Honda Civic and the Dodge Dakota truck thing. But, what? I don't know, it depends how cold it is, but cold air intakes in the cold. Alright, guys, I'm wearing my favorite sunglasses. It's cold out. It's a little chilly, but we're going to go get breakfast and maybe go to Walmart. So this is going off base. Why is there so many MPs? Something happened. There's no way. That car's pulled over. But there's only one line open. You gotta go in the other lane. You gotta go in the other lane, Diva. This car's pulled over.
I didn't even see it. It's undercover.
No, it's not. Dude, his lights are flashing. Oh, look, that's that one car. Dude. And then even off, so like that corner is about to be long as hell, dude.
I think we're going to Walmart.
Like when we pass, like if we go left over here, oh, here, look at this thing. Why are the LED lights in the grill? You see that?
Yeah.
That's kind of odd. What does it say? It says something in the front.
Crowd killer.
Crowd killer. That's actually kind of funny.
American muscle.
American muscle. Yeah, man. You know, I got the stripes on the side.
Spark.
Look at that. Championship white Type R. Fire. Fire.
Yo. Oh, damn, bro.
Imagine trying to unlock that. Alright, boys. Today's haul. Some sugar. And I got some picture frames. And coffee. And adult reusable face mask. Hey, what'd you get?
Nothing.
Okay.
Just gotta loosen this. Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it just slips on.
I don't know where this goes to.
I think it's different adapters, maybe?
No idea. I think these are plugs.
There you go. This just slips on.
If you want to plug it
I
or
don't know
something.
my tools in.
Yeah.
There it goes. Let me just tighten it. Yo.
What is this? Oh, if you want to go smaller, I guess. Or it might depend on the intake manifold. I'm gonna bring this out.
What is it?
This might have to be. This might be an adapter for the intake
There it
manifold.
goes. Look at that. Perfect fit.
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready? Yeah. I'm tightening it. Hold on. I want to set it. It's cold out there, so I want to set it up so we just slap it on and then come back inside.
You need one of these for the other side,
Oh yeah.
or you can use the other ones.
So that's good, but you gotta tighten that. You get a Gerber or something. Fit up. Actually, you might have one.
You might have one.
What is this? It's an adapter.
That's what I was thinking. I said it might be.
I think that goes on there. Then we put a clamp. Or actually like this.
Yeah. It's because I don't know how big the manifold is, but it should be. It should go on normally. No, actually, I think you might need that.
Yeah, I don't think it'll go.
Mm-hmm.
And then the little holes that come with it.
Yeah, this might bolt down somewhere. Or no, actually, it's gonna be this thing right here. I'm pretty sure, Devo. Because I'm pretty sure this goes on there.
The Dakota too?
We'll do the Dakota another day.
What?
We'll just do this one right now.
You have to do them both, bro.
We don't have to do them both. We'll do one tomorrow.
You sure?
Yeah. That one looks more involved.
More involved. I guess you're right.
Whoa, wait.
This one.
Wait, let me see.
Just take a picture of it.
I want to get to plug this hole somehow. Wait, let me see. Go. Because, well, eventually I'll show you, but we'll get a breather valve for the intake, so you don't have to use this thing. Tube hose.
You think they're gonna fit on there?
Should. No way, dude. No way.
Where's the?
What? You madman.
God damn. The max of those. Oh no.
Figure it out on that side. You might have this on too much, so it's like stepping it up or something.
No. That's just
No.
past this little lip.
I don't think it has to go on that lip though. No, shove it on. Can we hold it?
Bro, what are you doing with my dick?
Whoa, hey. Is the battery reloaded to the rear or is it in the front? Let me see this.
It's fine.
You think this plugs it?
Where they keep
Let me see this. No, the hole.
Oh, it depends on which one.
Well, I want to just plug it. So that one.
Do you want to plug it?
Yeah. Because you're gonna have to run a vacuum tube to it, or else you're gonna get an air leak. I can't break this one hand. Woo. Is that one lighter than just the black one? Yeah, carbon fiber.
Lighter.
Yeah, it's carbon fiber.
Yeah. You can tell by the inside, man.
Yeah, it's woven,
It feels carbony.
carbony. Or is this part of the whale thing?
Yeah, man. It's a foreskin.
It just bunched up and went to the side.
Yeah.
I'm literally holding everything, and this dude wants to shovel in front. All this frozen snow. Literally, I'm holding the world in my hands. And it smacks the front of the Civic.
No, man. That was an accident. I can't feel anything.
It's a push to the side.
I know, bro. I can't feel it.
That's why you need hood pins. I almost forgot this thing was B-swapped. I'm like, wait, what is that?
Oh, I don't think it's gonna fit, bro.
It was gonna fit here.
It don't look like it's gonna fit.
It's gonna fit. All right, so compared to stock, oh, dude, this thing is huge. Way more airflow.
And it does not fit.
It does not fit. It's gotta fit. Why'd you put that there? You're putting it onto the...
You want to turn it?
What is this? What is this right here that is hitting?
Huh?
What is this? This. Windshield washer fluid?
Oh, no.
Can you push that down? Wait, what is that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's to the trans.
Yeah.
Was it cable or hydraulic fluid?
Yeah. That's the fucking...
Okay, so it has to go this way. Because if it bolts here or something, then lift it or something. You're going with the red noodle? The one that's already on it? Hold this.
Is that was just chilling there?
The red noodle?
Yeah. We're going with the red noodle? What happened to the blue one?
He fell. He's right there, but...
Damn, I had to code. She's a bluer one, it's newer.
Less clogged.
Tell me when you get cold.
No, cool. I know why this doesn't fit.
Gotta force it on there. Okay, you wanna give it a try? You haven't been to the gym in a while.
Oh, yeah. Even this, like, it's just not going on. Did the kit say B series or was it D series?
But I had different options. For most different engines. God damn. Alright, mission failed. Let's go inside. Damn.
All right. It's like pressure fitted on there. It needs to go down. It's like stuck on something. It's stuck on this wire.
Yeah, we gotta do this on a warmer day. Alright, here you go.
All right. All right. So it's installed. Yeah, dude. Just put this like. That's not gonna work.
Just take this inside.
All right. Oh yeah, guys. So that's the end of today's video. That's installed for now until we can decide what to do with it. That's a blue pool noodle, and yeah. All right, that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a like, comment down below what kind of intakes are you installing on your vehicles, and subscribe for more. Post Monday through Friday at 1 p.m. and been loving the schedule. That's Dancing Dragons out. Peace.